Well, guys, this is a little view of what I see. I walk out my back door into my Nitro dungeon. So it's quite messy in here. We got towels everywhere, parts flying, videos flying. Woogie's done that video. Woogie, I did a running video. I did a bashing video in my backyard. Then I went to the track. You must not be watching my videos, Woogie. I'm just giving Woogie a hard time, guys. We text back and forth each other. Anyway, show you what I got going on. This is my little workstation. This is the B3-1 that we had on the track the other day that we just finished. This car is hooked up. MIP pistons, titanium, Red's pipe, Red's engine, J Concept body, and we ran the detox, J Concept detox. Lower drive units have been, pinions have been changed out. So quite a bit of work done to this car, but it is hooked up. Hooked up. I don't know if I've ever seen one of those. That's what Adam Drake uses to clean his parts. Little parts washer. Magnasonic jewelry box cleaner. There's an RC8. That engine is brand new. Never been run hardly. Look at it. Brand new just sitting there. Because it just won't run with the Reds. It just won't run with it. My shop wall. Bag it up, send it back. No questions asked. Pipes, couple. We're not retiring them. These are going to be our backyard bashers. We've been racing with them, but we have 2 new B3.1s. So we're cleaning these up and basically just going to use them for bashers. Not bad for bashers, huh, guys?
It's got a brand new 3-shoe Max Life clutch on it, but
the best of everything, guys. It's going to be a basher. Want to do is like it? Clean these up today. Charging, gas, fuel, tires. Those are our backyard tires. Extra bodies. Parts, guys. You wonder where all my parts are? Right there. Everything. You could probably build a car in there. Seriously. And tires all down in there. See them in Ziplocs, all labeled. Ooh! Woogie. Termite. Who is he talking about? Oh, I know who. Everybody knows the termite. Come on. It's my son Jason. His work area. Justin. He's building that, helping me build that 3.1. Actually, he's doing the crappy work. It's getting there. This is the one we got in Friday. Guys, I'm basically just making this video because I had to pull away from the hobby bench for a while. Been at it a while, but I'm still into it, so I'm just taking a break and thought I'd throw out a quick video.
So, I gotta work on this.
Oh yeah, Woogie.
mount screws.
You must not be watching my videos.
Broken in half. I had to,
That makes me sad.
you know, they call
Just kidding, man. Dude, I ran in my backyard, bashed, and then I went to the track and bashed.
the M2C
Good stuff there.
engine.
Me and Woogie give each other a hard time a little bit behind the scenes.
But those screws.
Good guy, man.
Those pinhead screws.
Can't wait till he comes up and we can get on the track together. Or in my backyard.
Had them because they were stripped. Actually ended up breaking an MIP.
Anyway, guys, oh, that's where my dog hangs out.
So I cut the thread in.
Anyway,
Then
just want to share that with you. It's a pretty stupid video, but you know what?
screw just broke.
The hell with it.
Pick up some
I'm locked up, stir crazy.
hardware.
I'm out.